Hello people, this is the new Bee Swarm Simulator Ultimate.
Code time.
Typing. This one is a classic. Decent. There's got to be a faster route, right? Cut this.
Done.
Let's go to doing stuff. Time to Middlesley gather pollen. Fall already.
Codes again. Redeemed.
Upgrading. Still here.
Just some new things, but time for my first quest. Black Bear's quests. I missed the quest. Got it this time, let's do the quest.
Done. Time to turn this in.
What? I did it though.
Reporting this. Cut that.
Sorry, took too long.
Cutting to something actually making me progress.
Upgrade time. Let's see what we can afford.
So this is not the best, but not bad. Cutting a bit, don't mind.
Bro, just leave me alone, spider. I want more honey, not more pain. If you ask about that memory match.
I failed that. Cutting over this dumb spider section. Converting time.
This is not very fun.
Cut this one too.
What am I talking about? I am the editor.
Loot, goblin time.
I will take them.
I suck at looting items.
Not much, but works. I'll take it.
Cutting this now. How am I missing these of all things? I have none out of 3.
Spamming more cuts. Killed it.
Moving on.
Speeding up.
To sometime else. Egg.
That's it. Just egg.
It's conversion.
Why not?
Still no freaking seeds. This is so tedious, don't you think? I wish to speed this up. I can't see you as I am too impatient. Phew, we have done that. Time to collect more stuff.
Sorry, that was very fast.
A lot of stuff happened. A lot of jellies were found and are now being used.
Took way too long, so I cut that. Don't mind the fallen 5B zone. Sorry for the cut. This is the last upgrade for this episode.
Yes, this will be a series CUS. This feels like a big thing. I already had that. But my core new magnet is of course new. Speed.
It up.
Collecting for the now empty spider field.
I hate this proxies. Nope, just leave, so that is all. Bye.